Okay guys, so as you can see, I have a couple of stains on this white shirt. And then this kind of stuff, this is makeup. It's been in there for since last season when I got this shirt. And then I guess there's a splatter of it and some Kool-Aid. Watch what I do to make it look like it was never a stain. So I go in, guys, with this spot remover by Grandma's Secret. Don't ask me what the secret really is because it's just a miracle, and I'm telling you to get it, please. So you'll spray some on your stains. And then you would just kind of lightly move it around. That stain is still there. There's a Kool-Aid stain too. So then it comes with this one. Which is just a little bit more concentrated because it's more of a gel. And it's magic. See that dot? It's fading. You're gonna give it a little rub here and there, but that dot is fading away. This is better than bleach or any concoction or anything I have used in my life, to be honest. It really is. We're gonna put one more dot on that. It'll just fade it. See that? That one dot. Let's check that Kool-Aid. We'll put a little, it's a little dot where the Kool-Aid was too. Now we'll go up here to the front of the shirt. We'll put a couple of dots on there. And while that's sitting, I can't see, it says, it just removes anything. I promise you guys, it removes oil, grease, paint, makeup, grass, clay, ink, blood, baby formula, toothpaste, spaghetti sauce, coffee, and I'm not playing. It removes. There is nothing that it does not remove. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put another dot. Okay guys, so you just want to put a little more of a dot. Work it on a circular motion or something. But I've been waiting to show you guys this. I'm a homemaker. More than anything that I do on my channel, I am a homemaker. And with that being said, I'm getting ready to go back into the workforce possibly. But yeah, that's what I do. I take care of my family. So I do a lot of, you know, everything. And then when I have time for me, I make that time and do me. So I'll put another dot, just that much. And as you guys can see, it's just fading out. And that was makeup. And that had been, I washed it. And I used one of those Clorox sticks. So I'm seeing where is that at now. Because it's completely gone. I think there's a little spot right there that I didn't see. So we'll give that one. We'll let that go on there. I missed that one, but that one's gonna be so easy, you know. No problem. See guys, that's the top of the shirt. Let's take a look at the bottom. So we still have a stain, a little makeup stain right there. Let me check for the Kool-Aid. A little bit is right there. You guys can barely see it because it's like, but you can see that stain. So we'll let that be on there. And you just want the smallest amount of it. For the whole kit, as what I call it, it's about $13. And this time, I mean, I promise you guys, I'm going to leave the link down in the description. Gotta get that one out. So you're rubbing it. And then what you can do, because sometimes your material can get beady, and you don't want to do that from scrubbing out, you know, like your collars and stuff. You got to do it with that, but I'm talking about if it's on like a shirt. Flip it inside out so that you could scrub it a little bit more without doing too much to the front of it. You know, the outside of the material. So I just flip mine inside out, and I just gonna scrub it down. And you're mainly just kind of pressing. Let me get in there and get that out of there. I think it's such an amazing thing. You'd think I'm the dang old spokesperson, but. And this red stain, we're gonna see. See, you guys can't see it, but it'll bother me. But what I will say is that once you wash whatever you have the stain on, after you have treated it with this, there it is. Finally. But we're gonna wash it, and then after I wash it, I'm gonna come back, and you guys will see the final, you know, outcome and stuff of the shirt. So yeah, we'll be right back. Okay, so you want to wash, now you want to go ahead and you want to take and wash the shirt, and you would turn it absolutely white. And the reason why it looks as though it's just where you move the product and then the liquid, okay? But it's going to come out and it's going to be pure white and beautiful and look brand new. So let's go ahead and get in the wash machine. I'll show you what I use. So guys, we got to get the laundry room clean, but in the meantime, we're not going to pay attention too much to that, guys. We'll do a video. I want something that is citrusy, because I want a citrus that is going to like penetrate that fabric. So that's always good for doing that. And so I just want a little bit, like just a drop. I don't want it at the fill line where it is even now. I don't know what made me put that much in there. But needless to say, we did. Now, at this time, we're not going to be adding bleach because all we're dealing with is white. So we'll use a light color or white fabric softener. Yeah, we're going to do a video. We're going to clean this laundry room, and we're going to restock it with all of our supplies like we do. I haven't done it in a while. I feel like I don't have no product. As you can see, my washer dry. You can see up on the shelf. We're going to get it in on you. Okay, a lot been going on. We'll talk about it. So then, of course, let's go ahead and shut it. And then, as far as washing it, I think I'm just gonna wash it. I'm gonna do a speed wash, and then I'm going to speed wash it on hot. We'll just spin it on medium maybe, because it's just like 2 shirts. I added a shirt in there just to give it something else to kind of mix with. And then we'll wash it on about normal. You don't need anything heavy duty. 20 minutes. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll come back and I'm gonna toss it in the dryer, pull it out, and then I'll show you guys the outcome at that time. Okay guys, so the shirt is, you know, it's done. And there's no more, that's what the makeup stain was, or it was like splattered, which made me not want to rent. It was like the 2 dots over and 1 dot there. And it was like down here, it was a red Kool-Aid stain. And it's gone. And no bleach was used in this either. No bleach. I showed you guys step by step of what I did to get the stains that were dug in and grimy out of that shirt. And this is another shirt that had, I believe that had grape Kool-Aid, or I had a grape pop and it had dried before I could wash it, and y'all know what that means. But that's that.
I found your ring light.
So that's it. That's all. Thank you guys for watching. And don't forget, get you some Grandma's Secret spot remover off of Amazon. And any kind of stain in the world, it will remove it. And then it comes with this little, I guess it's supposed to be like the concentrated gel. Alright guys, bye-bye.